Hey guys, it's ChrisWatters. Welcome to my video real estate vlog. In this episode, we're going to be talking about how to sell your home super fast. Okay, so if you're interested in selling your home really quick, and I mean days, not weeks or months, really the very first option you should consider is a cash offer. Now, there's a multitude of different people in the market that buy homes for cash. And you've got to decide, are you looking for convenience? Or are you looking for the maximum equity out of your home? So these buyers that will pay cash are typically either local investors or what are called iBuyers or internet buyers. And whether it's an iBuyer or maybe a local investor, they're buying the home to make a return. And so there's typically what is known as a convenience fee that's deducted from the sales price of the home, which obviously negatively impacts your net proceeds from the sale. Now, as realtors, we have a typical commission we charge, and what an investor is going to charge, or one of these internet buyers or institutional type investors, is going to be, from my experience, significantly more, typically double what a realtor gets paid. So if you're in a position where you need to sell the home for cash and get it sold really fast, we can actually help you with this. We can submit your home to an entire database of local investors. We can also submit your home to these iBuyers that are Wall Street funded companies that'll make a all cash offer on your home. They'll close as fast as you want. You don't have to worry about showings. You don't have to worry about open houses. It'll be really seamless, but be mindful that you are going to give up some of your equity. Now, the second option is hire an agent that can sell it really fast. And so that's one of the things we pride ourselves on most. So if you're interested in learning more about our 194-point marketing plan, the things we're going to do to position your home to get the maximum number of buyers in there as quickly as possible, reach out to us and book an appointment. We'll go through our marketing campaign, show you how we're going to implement on the things that are going to get the buyers that are going to actually live in the home and that are going to pay the most amount of money for your home. So you're not going to leave anything on the table. And so you can actually get your home sold. We've had some instances where an owner occupant that's paying the premium goes under contract in as quickly as 24 hours, and they're closing 2 to 3 weeks later. So that's best case. And then I would say the average right now in the market, depending on the time of year you're watching this, is anywhere from 30 to 60 days. So again, if you're interested in learning more about submitting your home to a pool of investors or some of these Wall Street funded investors, we can actually help you with this. We have the database of them. That way you're maximizing the exposure, getting your home exposed to as many of these type of investors that'll pay cash. You don't have to worry about repairs, no showings, no open houses, etc. And then we'll put all of them together for you, and you can make a decision, which of these cash offers would you like to go with. And then secondarily, again, we always recommend going to the market. If you've got the time to find the owner-occupant buyer that's going to live there, their family's going to be there, they're going to pay the most for your home, and we can typically make this happen pretty fast. The home can be pending sale in 24 to 48 hours, and again, you're closing maybe a couple days, weeks, at most maybe a month later. So give us a call and reach out to us, and we can walk you through what the best options are for you.